So this room, I gotta get some better lighting in this room. But anyway, so basically, up here, down there, right here, there we go, kinda, I don't know. So basically, I just want to say thank you boys for all the all the congratulations and the thumbs up and everything there about getting my advanced license. I got to say, it was a long time coming, very long time, and I got my ass kicked more than once, let me tell you, over the last few years. And most of the time, you know, for the most part, yeah, I deserved it. I got to admit, I did deserve it. Did I deserve the harassment of it? No, I didn't. And quite frankly, it's, you know, it just turned my hobby inside out. But, you know, I'm going to try to bounce back the best I can. I still got to get still got to get some test equipment. Back in 2013, 14, whatever it was, that August, I got rid of everything I had, frequency counters, to, you know, watt meters, everything I had, even that little tube RF signal generator I had. I got rid of everything back then, everything, every piece of test equipment I got rid of, everything. Only thing I kept was my multimeter. So I've been slowly gaining some stuff back, but you know, there's not a lot around here to buy, to get. So, you know, I'm actively looking, but there's not a whole lot out around. Right now there's an oscilloscope handy, you know, locally, for a couple $100. I've been looking at that. Only goes at 40 megahertz, so I know absolutely nothing about scopes. Very, very little about scopes. I have never used an oscilloscope. Yes, I've never used an oscilloscope. So, you know, love to have one, try it, see what it's all about. And so, any of you guys got any comments? What do you guys think of an oscilloscope that's good for 40 megahertz? Because I don't know. I guess it's good for, you know, frequencies below from 40 megahertz down. I believe that's how they work. Like I say, I don't know. I've never used them. So if anybody can fill me in on oscilloscopes, you know, put the comments below. I'd like to hear what you got to say about them. And yeah, so again, boys, I'd like to just say thank you to everybody that stood by me over the years and continued to stay with the channel. I do appreciate it 100%. And all I got to say is I'll try to keep the videos going best I can. I was I emailed Industry Canada there a couple of days ago, and I asked them about repairing CB radios, chicken band radios. And they told me specifically, yes, I can repair CB radios. So I can repair CB radios, but I've got to replace parts. They got to be the exact type of part that come out of the boards. Can't change anything. Basically, like changing a 2SC1307 for like a MOSFET or something. No, I can't do that. So yes, I can repair CB radios. But stock CB radios, so, you know, nothing modified. If there's anything modified, I'm not even touching it. There's door, get lost, not touching it. So, you know, I can repair CB radios for myself and others. But again, can't make, you know, part substitutions, like different, like, you know, like I say, different transistors for a certain transistor for another transistor. I can't do that. Anyways, so that's pretty much it for that. Yes, I can repair CB radios. I can repair CB radios for others. And there you go. There's your answer. That's for Industry Canada. Anybody got anybody want to comment about that? Post below. I want to hear what you got to say. Should I not repair CB radios? I'd like to hear what you guys got to say. So, you know, if you think I should, post below. If you don't think I should, post below. If you got no comment, post below. Whatever you want, boys. If you guys got ideas for videos, you know, any ideas for different type of videos, post away. I want to hear the comments. Just comment. Tell me what you want. Tell me what you want me to do videos on. I want to hear anything, any ideas you guys may have for video ideas. I want to hear what you got to say. Post below. Anyways, guys, I'll just end the video now before I ramble too much, and I'll say 7-3. Again, thank you for sticking with me over the years and for the big thumbs up on getting my advanced. Finally. So there you go. And I got to say, it's a long time coming, and I got to be honest with you, I didn't think I'd be where I am. I didn't think I'd get the advance. I really didn't think I would pass that advance. But 84%, yeah, that shocked the hell out of me. I have to admit. Anyways, all the best, boys. Lots of video coming up, lots of projects, lots of ideas, and I guess we'll see you soon. All the best. 7-3, and take her easy.